We see our customers use a variety of our tools depending on the size of the company, depending on the size and complexity of the project. What you've mentioned already sounds really exciting, really sophisticated and quite comprehensive, which is great. Do you think that's really aimed more at the enterprise account, or will it meet even the needs of the smaller firm?
Yeah, absolutely. This is advanced electrical design for all, right? That's our mantra. And low voltage, medium voltage design, absolutely. So the design tools can be used at any stage of conceptual up to detailed design, no matter the size of the project. We stay within the traditional building segments, but within that space, this tool is intended for small, medium, large companies.
So, Revit's got electrical design capabilities. It's had them from the beginning, in fact. And, Autodesk have recently gone back and we've started to sort of refocus in that area and try and sort of readdress the balance, as you say, between mechanical and electrical by enhancing the electrical sort of capabilities. But I guess we've been doing it more at a sort of conceptual, early sort of design stage. From what you're doing, it sounds more like it's pulling that further downstream. Would that be a fair sort of summary?
Yeah, absolutely. If you look at Schneider and the decades of experience on the hardware and the manufacturing side,
right,
we have this wealth of knowledge of how does this equipment actually operate in the field? What is its lifetime cycles? How does it get replaced? When does it need to be replaced? And how do you design for those types of scenarios across low and medium voltage systems?
So it's really making Revit and I guess ultimately other sort of platform capabilities from Autodesk sort of very much extensible and more comprehensive. Yeah, that's fantastic. But when we spoke a little while ago, you mentioned that you're actually embracing other manufacturers' equipment and trying to get them onto your platform as well. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up, right? Because Autodesk, the Revit platform, is an agnostic platform. And as such, our tools building onto that platform, with that platform, in that platform need to be agnostic. So whether it's Schneider equipment or any of our major competitors' equipment, when we start talking about data catalogs and availability of information and equipment for sizing and selection, all of that will be available through the platform agnostically.